We'll see a change in the weather pattern on Saturday, but for Friday, things remain quiet with a lovely day forecast and fine conditions persisting for much of the day. We will, however, see hot and humid weather over parts of the northern and eastern Cape, as well as KwaZulu-Natal, with isolated thundershowers forming over the northeastern interior, as well as the western interior on Friday afternoon. Then on Friday night, we'll see cloud building up along the western Cape coast, and that's ahead of a cold front which moves in early on Saturday morning. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch for hot, humid and uncomfortable weather for Friday, and that's over parts of the northern and eastern Cape, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Some daytime highs even exceeding 40 degrees over parts of the eastern and northern Cape. They've also issued a watch for a high fire danger rating in the shade of amber, with the possibility of runaway fires. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with isolated thundershowers forecast over parts of the northwest, Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld, with a slight chance of thundershowers over the western interior on Friday afternoon. It's a sizzling Friday for Graaff-Reinet with a high of 40 degrees, Uppington topping 41, 37 for Kimberley, 30 degrees on the dot for Bethlehem and Johannesburg, and keeping around that 30-degree mark along the east coast, 27 for Port Elizabeth, 26 for Cape Town and George, with a high of 33 degrees for Pietermaritzburg and Pretoria. Now, as we head out to the west coast, you'll see moderate beach conditions due to a fresh southwesterly to southerly wind between Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, and along the west coast we can expect a 2-meter southwesterly swell with waves between 2 and 4 feet, with a moderate southwesterly wind for Langebaan. We're also forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind for Cape Town with a bit of cloud in the afternoon, more of a westerly component to the wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with that wind speed picking up to 30 kilometers per hour for Cape Agulhas, and along the southwest coast we have a 2.5-meter southwesterly swell at 10 seconds with waves between 3 and 4 feet. A light southeasterly wind is forecast for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with moderate wind speeds expected for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Lots of sunshine here and good beach conditions with a 2-meter southwesterly swell and waves between 2 and 4 feet. Now you'll see the wind speeds pick up as we head along the east coast, with a strong northeasterly wind forecast from Richards Bay through to East London, even picking up to 50 kilometers per hour for the Wild Coast. And here we're expecting a 2-meter northeasterly wind swell with waves still expected between 2 and 4 feet.